Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. As in my last video, I was telling you that I am waiting for this resistance to be broken out, but the SLP token is still moving inside this down channel. And in today's video, we will analyze whether this resistance of the down channel will be broken out or not. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this daily live time frame chart. And we can see that the price line is moving inside this down channel since after 31st of October. And almost we can see for more than 70 days, it is moving inside this down channel for more than 2 months on this daily time frame. And this is one of the longest down channel in the history of SLP token. Now we are again dropped at the support, and we can see after hitting that support, every support, we are having nice bounces, nice rallies to the upside, at least up the resistance. There is a big gap, a very small gap between the support and this price line. So it is possible that it will touch the support. For example, if we will have a reversal to the upside from here, then it will be changed from a down channel to a falling wedge pattern. Now, for example, if it hits again the resistance like it is hitting every time, then we can expect the move approximately up to 2.2 cents or 2.3 cents approximately. Now, there is another resistance, and I believe that if there is a big number of traders who are waiting for that resistance to be broken out, but that resistance is very, very much far away from here, because that is at 6 cents. For example, if I place this trend line here at 6 cents, then we can see that previously this resistance has been working as a very, very long-term support. It was never broken down. You can see we were bounced here, and we again tested this support here in the month of September 2021. We were bounced. We again tested, we bounced, and we broke it down here in the month of November at the in the last week of November 2021, and now we are still moving to the downside inside this channel. So once it will break it out, this resistance of the channel, that can be another very, very nice opportunity, buying opportunity, because so far the price line is not able to break it out. It is getting rejected again and again. And once it will be broken out, then we can expect the move at least up to this resistance of 6 cents. That will be a really very big move. But the real move will be started, and there will be a very big number of traders who will jump into SLP once it will break out this resistance, because this was a key resistance, a key support for the price line, and now it is a key resistance for any big move, any massive move. Therefore, I would like to suggest you to wait for this resistance to break out. And once this resistance will be broken out, that will be the first buying signal. But the real move will be started once the SLP will be able to break out this key resistance of 6 cents. That is, there. We need a very, very big move in order to break it out. But first, we need to break out this resistance of the down channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.